Welcome to the channel. This is Vauxhall Corsa. Basically, this car has a severe misfire. They went to the one garage. After that, they changed coil pack and spark plugs. However, problem still same. They came to me. Basically, they recovered to me car not starting because of severe misfire. Then I checked cylinder compressor, all fine. Then after that, I opened rocker cover gasket. Then I found, see the timing chain, and also when I come into the other side of the cam, you can see this line one way, this side opposite. Basically, this car has a timing problem, basically timing out. We are going to retest timing and show you what's going on here.